Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I got a nice black oak on here today. I'm going to cut into 5/4 boards for 2 hay wagons. This ain't going to cover, might not even cover one. So the one hay wagon is 6 feet wide. The other's, I think, 7, but I'm going to call it 8 just so I have enough. So let's go. They're 18 feet long. So 8 and 6 is 14. 18 times 4, 252 square feet of lumber. So 252 board feet at 5/4 deck boards. So let's see what I have here. 14 and a half inside the bark. Got a little flare to it down here. Almost 17. And 14 feet long. So 14 inches is going to give me 7. I'm going to get at least a 10-inch cant. Yeah, 10-inch cant for sure. And maybe a little bit bigger. 10. So yeah, we're going to get quite a few boards. I'm going to make these as wide as that cant is, and we'll go from there. Remember, we got the log turner. I haven't tried that. Everything else is working. Let's just make sure the log turner's working. Oh yeah, everything's working. So let's get this clamped down. All right, we're clamped off. And we're gonna get this going. The mill's warmed up. My wife might come out. If I haven't mentioned it, it's January 27th. Yesterday was my son's birthday, actually. He just turned 28 years old. Guys, I got so many things to announce on this channel for you guys. We're so excited, but we're waiting for a few things to make sure things are in order. But we got some really cool things coming down the pipe. The mill's been warmed up. If I also failed to mention, it's in the 30s today, but extremely windy. So hopefully this ain't getting blown out by the wind. If it's a little bad, if it's not too bad, I can fix it. But if it gets too bad, it really messes up the sound. But we'll see what happens. All right, guys, let's cut it. All right, let's get this going. Uh-oh. Go switch off. Okay. So we're gonna make 5/4 inch boards here, and we don't have a 5/4 scale. I made a 5/4 scale. I'll show it to you when I put it on here. You can do it with the regular scale. You just got to add an 1/8 every time. I just completely made a new one. It's easy to do. All right. That went well.
I looked up at one time and the camera was on the ground, so I quick ran and put it back up.
Which one? Oh, the little one?
Must have blown off at one point.
Yeah, that's all right. They're also shot. They're built strong.
Yeah, and there's snow. That's good.
You got it pretty crooked right now, but that's all right. Okay. Before we go in, we're going to look for something out here that I lost. I can't believe I lost it. We're hoping you don't fall over again. That camera's fallen over, I don't know how many times.
Well, at least 3 since I've been here.
Yeah, and now we got damage. We broke the tripod. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5/4 boards. No, 7 and a flitch. So 70 inches. That will cover one of those, the small trailer, but it won't go the whole length. You will have 2 feet. So I'll have to cut some other pieces yet, but probably 2 or 3 more logs and we'll be done. But she came out to help us out today. So guys, that'll do it. Hopefully you liked the video. What do you think?
I think the wood turned out good.
Yeah.
Just had to get through that wind.
It's crazy windy. Okay guys, we're gonna go in before we blow away. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.
Have a good one.